Alright, so boom, we back in Hold My Nugget Studios once again because the street said Michael Venom Page is fighting again.
Poke and kick! Do it again. Poke and kick!
My leg!
Oh! And there goes the battle!
It's all over!
Game over? It just started.
What?
We only 26 seconds into the fight. This is only the second strike thrown, and the fight's already over. The savagery of MVP continues. He exploded Yamauchi's kneecap.
Are you okay?
No, I am not okay.
What am I gonna do about my legs, everybody?
He gave that brother's kneecap a navel or an enlarged clitoris. Look at that knot. It appears to be a nipple. MVP put a dent in a man's forehead and then cracked another man's kneecap. Does he have vibranium in his bloodstream? I've never seen something like this happen before. Might I add, how did he not take any damage to the shin? Rumor has it mans could kick a vehicle and the insurance provider would think that the driver was an offender bender. Get that man a prosthetic. He won't be walking for months. He's gonna need a medic. Somebody please. Call that goddamn EMT. Well, damn, they already here. Well, I guess send them to the Shadow Realm then.
Finish him!
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
Well, shit.
That was easy.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button!